Yo, what is up guys? So I just got this new Baseus air compressor over here to inflate some tires and whatnot. So this is the newer model over here. As you can see what it says over here, Energy Pump Mega Series Dual Cylinder Wireless Inflator, which is very nice because this has a much bigger output over here than the smaller ones. What it says over here, it has 6000 milliamp hours over here of battery capacity, and the power is 250 watts output over here, which is a significant improvement from the smaller ones because the smaller ones have about 50 watt power output over here. And as it states, they say it can fill up a R195 tire over here in 3 to 4 minutes. So before, to inflate such a tire, it would take about 15-16 minutes, I believe. So this is much faster, much more power over here packed into this one. And let's see what's inside. So let me go ahead and open it up. There we go. This is the package over here. Nicely covered in a plastic foil over here. What we got else over here? Some stickers as usual with the Baseus products over here. A warranty card and user manual. Of course we don't need it. And let's check out the lower compartment over here. A very nice pouch to carry this around and don't scratch it in your car, as well as the air hose over here. This is how it looks like. Pretty standard air hose, and some adapters if you would like to inflate a basketball, for example, or your car, or a motorcycle inlet, or the bike inlet over here, and some different attachments for some inflatable stuff over here. Very nice to see. A standard USB-C cable, which is as well a nice improvement that we got USB-C. And as well, what I found out over here, you can charge it with the 9 volts fast charge over here, which is nice to see because 6000 milliamp hours will take a while to charge up, but this will have some power bank capability over here, some serious power bank capability, and you can inflate, I believe, like 3 or 4 tires fully. So it's time to take it out over here. This is how it looks like. Just a standard plastic over here with some rubber attachments. This is the actual pump inlet over here, double pump. And I will go ahead, figure it out how it works and show you it, how it's working, and we'll do a comparison on a real world test on a car tire over here. So let's take out the plastic over here as well. That is always satisfying. Let's see if we got any other plastic. This is how it looks like. Let's try to make it work over here. So I just got it all figured out. To power it up, you just long press the OK button over here, and this will show us a nice display. We can switch between modes with the M button. So we got the car over here, we got the motorcycle over here, we got a normal bike and a basketball. So to increase the pressure, you just simply tap the upwards button on the downwards button. And if you want to change the actual units over here, you just long press the M button, and this will switch between PSI, bar, and kHPA. So, and something else over here, you carry G on centimeters square, which I don't know much about. For me, I think the bar is the best way to go. So let's set the bar, and this was just a compressor working over here. As you can hear, it's pretty loud. Let's turn it on again. But of course this packs some serious power over here, so it has to be loud. It says that this is the heatsink over here, so this will get probably hot while using for a longer period of time. And as well, we got the flashlight over here, so turn on the flashlight, you tap in 2 times on this button. And as you can see, it started to work. It has 3 different modes. So again, double tap, normal light mode. This is not too bright, honest, I tested it, but this might be always helpful. And then we got some SOS, I believe, and another strobe, or this is the SOS, and the last one was just flashing over here. So this is how it looks like, and let's put it to the test in a second. So guys, as I said, I got a little demo over here. So this is a 19-inch 255 tire over here, so a pretty big size. And I got this on 2 bar right now, and I will just inflate it to 2.8 bar, and we'll see how fast this will go. So as you can see, 2.8 bar, just under 1 minute. So you just don't have to worry about inflating your tire for like 15 minutes, because this will get the job done much faster as they advertise. In my opinion, this is much better than 50 watt smaller equipment. I believe this one uses like 9 volt or something like that, and the dual pump over here as well. So this is just not screwed in fully over here, that's why it's leaking. Let me just handle this. So guys, as you could see on the end of this last clip over here, there is a little issue with this device. That is a rubber gasket that is between this hose and the device itself. So the problem over here is, originally there is a small silicone rubber thing, a gasket, that gets very easily over tight, and then it gets over tight, as you saw in the video, it just kind of blows away, goes to the side and creates a leak. So what I did simply is I removed this rubber part over here, and this works wonderfully. Pretty much you can tighten it pretty good right now, and this won't give you any issues. I don't know why they use this gasket, because it's very easy to over tight it or not tight it enough with the rubber there. So this will just simply give you issues over here, but just like so, if you screw it in tightly like I just did, and there is no issues with high pressure, nothing like that. As well with the gasket itself, even if it was tightened properly, it would just go or blow away under like some 6 bar or something like that, under huge pressure from the compressor itself. So overall, a pretty good device, with the only flaw that is this what I just talked about. But so I'm super happy with this device. It really is super fast for the small form factor over here, and much faster than the other devices, like the smaller ones that I used to cover on my channel. So this is a pretty good thing that you can use simply for your car, and it won't take like 15 minutes to fill up your tires or whatnot. So super good one. With the only small exception that is easily fixed, they should have used some type of fitting over here that can like screw around, or I don't know how to say it. It just can allow the host to pivot freely over here. But yeah, it is what it is. For the price point over here, it is pretty good in my opinion, and just keep that one in mind. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you on a new video of mine. See ya.